Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a very important chapter because this chapter has significance or relevant to the condition that is prevailing these days. As you all know, we are all struggling by coronavirus, because of which we are not allowed to go out of our homes. Now, children, did you ever think why the situation has become so critical? Because this infection or virus is contagious. Contagious means it passes from one person to another. It's just a fraction of a second, and that is why all of us are victim. We have been suffering through this form. This form similarly in this Florence Nightingale story, we are going to talk about a girl whose name has been put on a city in which she lived. So, the name of the girl is Florence, and she lived in the city Florence itself, which is in Italy. So, her name was put on the name of the city. So, now, children, she was actually a nurse, and there was a Crimean War. There was a Crimean War. 1853 to 1856. These are year, and during this lot of soldiers, lot of army people injured. But the twist was people were not dying because of the attack. They were dying because of the health. Now, how they were dying because of the health? What was happening in that particular city? We will study in this chapter. So now the chapter starts with a person whose name is Mr. Andrew. He is in 1920. The story starts with year in 1920. Mr. Andrew is standing there. Is a statue, and two children are standing. Now, Mr. Andrew is telling that in 1854 he was injured because of this Crimean War. He was admitted in the hospital. Now, the condition of the hospital was very bad. Very bad. You can see here. There was flies, there were waste, there were improper things. It was all unsystematic things, and lot of problems were there. It was not clean. It was the condition you can say is unsanitary. Very bad, very rough condition was there in the hospital. Now, children, you must know in hospital you will find very neat and clean environment. If the hospital will be unclean, then the patient can never recover. So now the condition of the hospital were very bad, and nobody was taking it seriously, and no doctor, no arrangement, no nothing. Nobody was taking it seriously except for this girl Florence. Now, her story is she was born in 1820. Then in 1853 she wanted to go to London to learn how to become a nurse. But Florence's parents were not happy. They said, "You wanted to become a nurse job so bad. You will work into hospital. You will clean dirty things of people and patient. You will do that job. You really want to do that job. You really want to be a nurse. Why don't you become a doctor? Why don't you become something good? Only a nurse you want to be. So, initially, the parents of Florence were not happy, but they allowed her. But they allowed her. Then in 1853, she went London. Now, children, listen it very carefully. She went in 1853 to learn about nurse, and this was the same thing of the war 1853 to 1856 because of the Crimean War. The soldiers were dying and dying, so something that was bothering Florence. So when she went to hospital to check the condition, she said, "What is this?" She started shouting on doctors. She said, "This is how you keep a doctor. This is how you keep a patient. Your soldiers are not dying because of that. They are dying because of the condition of the hospital. You are not giving them clean space. You are not giving them clean food. You are not providing them good space or the material." So she started. Now, Florence started along with her team cleaning hospital. She made a good environment, and finally all the soldiers started recovering. Not only soldiers, the people in the city, they started recovering during the war. Now when people saw this, when Florence came back to her home, everybody welcomed her like a hero. Everybody said, "Wow, Florence, there were people dying in this war. You improved the healthcare condition of the hospital condition or the condition related to health. You worked on those things. That is why the peoples are alive. The peoples are living. They are so happy." So now people considered Florence as a hero, that you are hero for us. Not only this, Florence got so popular, so she even met Victoria in 1856, the biggest Queen Victoria. She called Florence to come discuss her issue with her, that how can we improve England, how can we improve medical facility of England. This is how Florence became so popular. But children, unfortunately, like I said, you have seen doctors right now, they are going like treating corona patients. The doctors are dying because they are getting infected, because they had got infection from patients. Similarly, this Florence, because she was dealing with the patients, she was going to the hospital. She also got attacked through that same problem, through that infection, and at the age of 90, she finally died. This is the story of Florence Nightingale. This Florence Nightingale, whose name was same of the city, and because she did great work, she was called as a hero. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.